Oh, no. No. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. No. Because I didn't. What is up, everybody? You already know. What's up, everybody? Oh, shoot. What's up, guys? How is everybody doing today? It's your boy B back with another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you making a shingle. Okay. And today we're going to be talking about eBay automation. It's a refresher. Guys, yes, we do have eBay automation. You can get it at hustlertaught.me.com. It's also below in the description. Okay. I have not been on YouTube in so long. Like, all of this stuff is like me saying it new. But anyway. So guys, we're going to be talking about the eBay automation, and I want to address a few questions I was getting in the Discord, which is, first of all, when it comes to eBay, right? We don't want to buy watchers. Buying watchers isn't going to help you. I can't tell you how many times I've heard or was asked, should I buy watchers? The answer is no. Okay, it's like, should I buy subscribers or followers? Like, no, don't do it. It's not organic, and it's just going to make you feel that instant gratification, but you didn't earn anything, and this is going to always come back to bite your butt. Okay, so we don't want to buy anything. We want to be patient, and we want to make it happen organically, and that's why we have this automation, right? Because when I first started eBay, it was very hard for me. I didn't see sales right away, and that's okay. Not to see sales right away, but to keep exhibiting the right behaviors is okay, because eventually it will pay off, right? A lot of us, we want to get to a place of success fast, but we don't really realize that it's not really success because it doesn't last, right? So we want to be smart. We want to make sure that we are doing the appropriate things to get the right results. I will tell you this: one of the biggest things that I regret is not taking my time, being impatient, rushing. And I work on that every day. I work on trying to be more patient, especially as an entrepreneur. Being patient is very important. And also, following the behaviors, following the right steps, and implementing the right behaviors will always get you what you need. Okay. So with eBay automation, this is where we list, ship, and we provide products for you. I want to emphasize the providing products for you part, because this is sort of kind of where I think I came up with this idea. And I was so excited and eager to have this launch, and we've been able to help so many people. But providing people with products is, I think, one of the best perks with this, because I mean, of course, having somebody list things for you, I mean, that does take time, but having somebody list products for you that you don't even own is sort of kind of like drop shipping. Um, and we actually will provide these products for up to a month and a half after the automation process, just to give you time to sell all of the products after the week period. So this automation, it starts and it ends within a 7-day period. When you first get the automation, guys, you will be on a video call with me. We're going to talk about what your goals are. I'm going to learn a little bit about you. I am a very personable person, and I like to learn about people. But when I'm working with them, or anybody on my team is working with you, it's important for me to get to understand and know you. Okay. That's very important, because I care about everybody that is on my team. And if you guys have subscribed, you're a part of my family, you're a part of the team. Okay. Now, all right, we have budgets. So what are the budgets? Your weekly budget is the amount you choose to invest into your eBay store for us to double into your product value. Now, we're just going to start elementary. The $150 budget is for beginners, okay? Beginner learners, people that are new to YouTube or not. I said new to YouTube, excuse me, new to eBay. Y'all, I'm so rusty. New to eBay, or there's somebody that had an eBay for a while, but they're trying to scale it and they just don't quite understand how to get it done. And this is a big learning opportunity for you where you can actually increase your sales, but also learn the behaviors to do it by yourself. A lot of people give me props and also praise on the fact that I don't just want to have people do it for you. I want you to learn, because you learning how to do it makes you self-sufficient. And that, I think, is the definition of being a true hustler, is being able to actually do it by yourself by all means. You don't want to keep relying on somebody. There's a lot of mentors out here that try to withhold information so that you can always revert back to them and need them. I try to have you understand the fundamentals and the structure and then let you build from that. Okay. All right. So this is going to be a beginner learner. And you're going to start using live coaching and have your store set up for success. And that's only $150. Okay. And we're going to be listing products, shipping products, and revising products for you. The next budget is the $250 budget. And this is still beginner learner, right? This is for somebody, this is live coaching. So I'll be coaching you daily. Okay. Profitable products listed daily as well. All right. And then we have the $350 income builder. This is what the most popular one is. And a lot of people get this one because they want live coaching with tips and tricks, but also daily high-end product listings. So they want the coaching, but they also want high product listings. This includes phones, drones, tablets, high-end chargers, high-end cases, outer boxes, casemate, things of that nature to be listed. So now let's talk about the product value. Okay. So the way it works is if you invest $150, we list $300 worth of products on your eBay within a week period. If you invest $250, we list $500 worth of product value listed. $350, we list $700 worth of product value. All right, now the product value adds up. So let's just say we have, let's say we have some MagSafe chargers, right? Some MagSafe battery pack chargers, right? And they're valued at, let's just say, $20. And let's say we're only going to list that, which is not the case, but you would do 500, and let's say you invest 250, you do 500 divided by 20. That means 25 battery cases will be listed on your eBay. That is the product value. And we try to literally list these products at the product value so that you can maximize your money. You can change prices and everything as much as you want. So, how does the listing work? We have a unique system we already have in place where we list throughout the week. Okay. We do not list on Sunday because Sunday is one of the most high value selling days for eBay. Okay. That is when it is time to shine. And we want to set your store up at that point in time to be able to make sales. Okay. Very important. Okay. Products that are sold, we ship for you. So this eliminates you having to go to the post office. I know when I was selling on eBay, this was one of the pain points I was having because I did not have the time to always go to the post office. Sometimes I had to work. Sometimes I couldn't just run and go to the post office. We have runners that will actually do it for you. Next, you do not pay for the products. Okay. So that is not really true. The budget you put out pays for the products and you don't have to pay anything else. So there's no extra cost. Okay. So anybody out there that is like, oh, well, how much extra do I have to pay for the products, Brandon? You don't have to pay anything extra for the products. That's not how this works. You're not paying extra for products at all. All right, live coaching. So you get 4 days of live coaching on your eBay store. This is phone calls. And this is basically you asking questions and also me giving you tips and just touching base with you, trying to show you different ways to be able to maximize the eBay after the automation. All right. Results always come with a system. Okay. Results do not come with hustling and just trying to list as many products as possible. It's a system, and that's what we have. Okay. And that system is very important. And that's exactly why we have eBay automation. The system is proven to work. We've helped over this year alone 650 people currently with eBay automation. And that is awesome. That is a blessing. And I am 100% appreciative to everybody that has trusted me and is building their eBay doing this. So, where can you get this at, right? You can go to Hustler Taught Me, okay, .com. All right. You go to For Resellers, and eBay listing and automation coaching service is right here. And you can click whatever budget you want. Once you buy, I get in contact with you. My team lets me know. I get in contact with you. My secretary is going to set up a meeting with me and you. And then we're going to get started. We're going to start building. We're going to start actually getting to know each other. And me knowing your why is going to help me just push it further. All right, guys. So I wanted to touch base before I get into the videos where I'm posting things and showing you different tricks and like nice little shortcuts, I'd say. But like these shortcuts are usually like beneficial when you have a account set up and it's already set up with that system in mind. You know what I mean? So I try not to sell dreams. I try not to predict what you'll see as a result, but I will tell you, I've never seen somebody go broke making an eBay. I've never seen anybody go broke investing and learning. And I've also never seen nobody go broke when they are 100% buying into financial freedom and trying to actually get the stuff done, learn how to do it themselves instead of relying on somebody else. Never rely on nobody else for your money. You feel me? But that's going to be it for you. Everything today, guys, for this eBay automation lesson. If you guys want to join eBay automation, go to hustletaught.me.com. It's also in the description. And guys, I will see you guys at the top because it's too crowded at the bottom. Peace. I love y'all. Peace.